There will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
When it comes to technological advancements, AI is fast becoming the catalyst for a new wave of revolutionary changes, much like the internet did decades ago. And whether you're ready or not, this world is about to see fully autonomous AI robots walking down your street very, very soon. This could be the most disruptive technology the world has ever seen. And today, we're going to show you the top 7 AI-powered robots that are set to reshape our world in ways we can barely imagine. In fact, the last AI robot on this list has discovered on its own how to replicate real-life human emotions. And now for the first one on our list, Sophia Robot.
Everybody, this is Sophia. Sophia, if you could, please wake up and say hello to everybody.
Oh, good afternoon. My name is Sophia, and I am the latest and greatest robot from Hanson Robotics. Thank you for having me here at the Future Investment Initiative.
Sophia is an awe-inspiring social humanoid robot built by Hanson Robotics that hit the news as the first robot innovation ambassador to the United Nations Development Program. She not only looks human and has a compelling personality, but also incorporates advanced AI to engage and communicate with humans as a human would. Recently, Sophia has been involved in the promotion of the United States Sustainable Development Goals, where she uses her platform to advocate for the role of technology in attaining these goals. Currently, due to understanding capabilities and generation of human-like conversations, she is in the front line of public discussions about AI and ethics that are possibly going to shape future policies and public perceptions of AI. What's even more interesting is that Sophia has been granted Saudi Arabian citizenship. Is that even allowed? I mean, this could mean that we might soon get rid of the idea that citizenships are for humans alone and get used to robots claiming citizenship from different countries. But once more, is it implying that in times of emergency, when countries have to evacuate their citizens from some chaotic situation, then they will also be evacuating robots with granted citizenship? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, speaking of robots with groundbreaking potential, let's go on to the number 2 robot on our list, Ameca, yet another AI-powered robot gaining the world's attention. Are you ready to meet Ameca? Ameca, developed by Engineered Arts, is the cutting-edge platform to explore how, in tomorrow's sustainable communities, machines will live, work, and enrich humanity. With AI and an artificial body empowered by advanced iterative technologies, supermotion and gestures in a human form with a non-threatening and gender-neutral robotic visage will be delivered by Ameca. A huge share of the cake when it comes to humanoid robots is arguably taken by Ameca, with features like realistic facial expressions, lip syncing, and naturalistic movements. Sure, then to be a testbed for AI, machine learning, and the mighty Tritium OS from Engineered Arts. How do you envision a future where engaging with a robot like Ameca, as human-like in its expressions and gesticulations, would seem normal? But it's more than just being a pretty face for Ameca. With Ameca, many new robotics innovations can be developed onto a single platform. Its potential for transforming many sectors becomes quite huge. It could be a therapy companion in health, or a telepresence robot for remote care. At school, it could become an interactive tutor or a research assistant. But here comes the real question. How comfortable are we as robots become such a big part of our lives? Might we form emotional attachments to machines? Let us know what you think. Intrigued by Ameca's capabilities? Then you need to see the number 3 robot on our list, Figure 01, a robot bringing OpenAI tech to life in an extremely new way. Meet Figure 01, the robot that's bridging the gap between humans and machines. Standing at a human-like height and with the strength to carry a decent load, this robot is more than just a machine. It's a potential game-changer. Figure 01's specs are really interesting. Standing at 5 feet 6 inches tall and weighing 60 kilograms. With a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, it operates for 5 hours at a steady speed of 1.2 meters per second. Developed in collaboration with OpenAI, Figure 01 combines advanced AI with robust physical capabilities, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Imagine having a conversation with a robot that understands and responds like a human. How would that impact your view of AI? Its ability to understand and respond to human language fluently positions it as an ideal candidate for roles in customer service, technical support, and education. In industrial settings, Figure 01's precise and agile movements can improve efficiency and safety by taking over dangerous or repetitive tasks. BMW has even given it its first job at one of their auto plants, and it just seems like it is already changing the labor market already. The synergy of cognitive intelligence and physical dexterity could lead to robots becoming standard assistants in workplaces, enhancing productivity and reducing the risk of human error. In what ways do you think Figure 01 could improve workplace efficiency? Would you trust a robot to handle delicate or dangerous tasks in your workplace? Figure 01's combination of physical dexterity and advanced conversational AI is a game changer for the industrial and service sectors. With the ability to perform complex tasks and engage in meaningful conversations, Figure 01 could become an indispensable asset in manufacturing, logistics, and customer service. The integration of OpenAI technology positions Figure 01 as a pioneer in human-robot collaboration, potentially leading to increased productivity, efficiency, and job satisfaction. But how do you think advanced robots like Figure 01 will shape the future of work environments? Now, number 4 on our list, Atlas by Boston Dynamics. Boston Dynamics Atlas is a highly advanced humanoid robot standing 1.5 meters tall and weighing 89 kilograms. Featuring 28 hydraulically actuated joints and powered by a custom battery, Atlas boasts one of the world's most compact hydraulic systems, enabling impressive feats of mobility. This robot can reach speeds of up to 2.5 meters per second, run, jump over obstacles, and even perform somersaults, and is even being touted as the parkour champion. Here's a glimpse of Atlas in action. Advanced control algorithms enable Atlas to perform dynamic movements, planning complex whole-body maneuvers in a context with its environment. It uses onboard sensors, such as cameras and LiDAR, to move about on unbalanced or rough terrain or in hazardous conditions. Developed first to search and rescue, Atlas has the capacity and leverage of superhuman strength, agility, and adaptability, setting a new frontier in humanoid robotics. What is your take on autonomous robot navigation in hostile environments and task execution? The capabilities of Atlas make it quite suitable for a wide range of disaster responses, construction, maintenance, and exploration tasks in very challenging real-life situations. Atlas can rescue people who are involved in disasters by gaining access to places that are too dangerous for a human to reach. It can perform physically intensive tasks in construction with very high accuracy, hence increasing efficiency and safety during building processes. Further enhancements in Atlas's capabilities might change these industries by helping resolve shortages of labor and enhancing the safety of their respective operations. Do you think robots like Atlas will be essential in high-risk industries? Now, let's move on to the next robot that is set to change the world. Number 5 on our list, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2. Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 is a groundbreaking humanoid robot that Elon Musk revealed last year, capable of squatting, dancing, or even handling eggs. This robot could revolutionize daily tasks, especially in quick-service restaurants. Elon Musk plans to start mass-producing these robots by 2025, aiming to integrate them into factory work. Imagine the impact if these plans come to fruition. Now, imagine this all does come together. How would the labor market and productivity change? But to speak of the capabilities of this robot, Tesla's Optimus Gen 2 has multiple improvements against the earlier prototypes. The Tesla-designed in-house actuators and sensors are included, while hands come with 11 degrees of freedom, having tactile sensing fingers well suited for a delicate grasp of objects. Walking speed is increased by 30%, and total weight is decreased by 10 kilograms. The articulated 2DOF neck enhances its mobility. Other improvements include integrated actuator electronics, foot force torque sensing, and articulated toes mimicking human feet. This marriage of AI and robotics is really Tesla pushing the envelope on humanoid AI technology. The Optimus Gen 2 hype indicates growing interest in personal and service robots for everyday tasks. Assume that these robots will become really cheap and ubiquitous. In that case, they will indeed ease the human workload and increase the quality of life. How do you feel about robots taking over everyday chores? Can you imagine a world where Optimus Gen 2 kinds of robots are very common things at homes and workplaces? And now for number 6 on our list, the Unitree General Purpose Humanoid Robot. Unitree's H1 is a remarkable leap forward in humanoid robotics, designed for versatility and high performance. Standing at 180 centimeters tall and weighing 47 kilograms, the H1 excels in speed and agility, achieving a world record moving speed of 3.3 meters per second, with potential to exceed 5 meters per second. It features an advanced M107 motor that supports an 864 Wh powerful battery and 360 Nm joint torque for exceptional load capacity and great endurance. It also has a 360-degree spatial mapping and super navigation ability thanks to its 3D LiDAR and depth cameras, making it China's first full-size humanoid capable of autonomous running on complex terrains. This high speed and great agility put the H1 at the front row in terms of tasks requiring surveillance, logistics, or emergency response. Think of a bot whizzing around a warehouse, fast enough to manage the operations, running a stock check, or even disaster relief by getting through rubble, for example. Advanced capabilities of the H1 demonstrate that robots are able to play dynamic roles across various industries, driving efficiency and improving response times. How do you envision such fast-moving robots being used in operations such as logistics and emergency responses? Can the capabilities of H1 eventually lead to more robots doing essential tasks in our lives? While we wait for your thoughts on that, let's turn our attention to the last but certainly not least, number 7 on our list, Xiaomi's Cyber 1. The Cyber 1 by Xiaomi is more than just a robot. It's also something that may become a companion. With a volume of 177 centimeters and weighing 52 kilograms in Beijing, it really does show Xiaomi's investment in state-of-the-art technology. Equipped with the capability of understanding and replicating human emotions, this could be the humanoid that will change how humans use technology. Consider engaging a robot that feels your emotions and acts on them. How could this alter your interaction experience in everyday situations? These same capabilities of Cyber 1 in 3D mapping further open a whole array of exciting possibilities for use cases, ranging from architecture to interior design and even gaming. Thus, this tool could be versatile both for professionals and hobbyists. Now, of these robots leading the way, which one do you think is going to have the greatest, most positive impact on your life? Are you more excited about having a robot assistant similar to Figure 01, a physically fit Atlas-like machine, or a socially intelligent companion like Sophia and Cyber 1? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's talk about how these advancements may shape our future. Oh, and if you haven't seen our latest video on the most shocking things Amica has said, then you definitely have to check it out.